Konkara baby kusungana imrenga fully 6 fully 7 I don't tambua hizo zote. Mine ni fully 8. Either you listen or you go to your mama.
No birthday kwetu magangsta. Age is just a number and you are busy counting it. Me labda niko county survival. Zile bullet jo zimenihata, zimefika full magazine. Hakuna keki, no candles, ni scars zimeja tu kwa diary. Hakuna birthday party kwa gangsta. Kila sunrise ni bones around. Calendar inaweza change anytime. Mission ni ile never change. Wala ni kwa wale machaji wenye hatutambuangi birthday.
Tuendelee hivyo and for those men who want us to post them on their fucking birthday, I don't want to talk shit about that shit bro man. Nakuonea 18 very soon utakuwa unatufanyia brat shower ama ni baby shower. Unakuwa ngome yangu shaga. Sikiza mimi kwanza, I really gangster, mimi never prove ya why I didn't cry the day I was born. So the doctors decided to take me in a ring. He patched me left right. I asked him why he did that shit in my face. He answered me, he's not wrong doing it, he's right. Hapo ndo nilijua nimekuja kwa dunia ya watu wabaya baya. God isingekuwa hata na Mars unipeleke jo hiyo planet Mars. I really gangster, we don't do fucking birthday.